Alright guys, so I don't have very long to make this video because I have a test due in 3 hours and I really need to get going on that. But I needed to upload a video because I want to show some appreciation for the fact that we hit 1,000 subscribers. That's absolutely incredible and I never expected to be hitting it this quickly. So this video is about the appreciation for you guys, and hopefully this video you can learn something. I actually was featured today on my boy John from Beginner Trading's live stream today, and you guys should be sure to go check out that live stream if you guys want some more educational content. And I am going to be sharing with you guys some of the trades that I made from that live stream today, and it's actually perfect because I don't really have to do much editing for these clips, so I should be able to get this video out quickly and still manage to take my test. So if you guys enjoyed this content, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Maybe we can hit the 1,200 subscribers from this video. That would be really cool. And hit the like button because that's also really cool. And with that being said, let's hop right into the video. Ah, shoot, I completely forgot. There was one other thing I wanted to mention before we start reviewing the trades, and that is where we're sitting at the week, because this is sort of like a recap, and I want you guys to know where we stand. So for the day, I ended up making $302, and on the week, we are up $604. So we've well exceeded our 500 a week goal. So anything that we make today, or I mean tomorrow and Friday, is in excess of our goal, which is very, very good. And now we will actually hop into the video. So right now, the game plan for MDRR is if it breaks through $4, then we'd be interested in playing a micro pullback on it. We don't want to play the breakout through 4 because if it rejects, it will be a very hard rejection, in which case I could risk losing a lot of money. But if it breaks through 4, which it happened right here, we're up to, there we go, pull back to 406, I'm in. And we got out right there for a $20 scalp. So what I did there is sometimes you can play a breakout on a move like that, and if you did play a breakout, you would have been able to make more than 4 cents, obviously. But the risk when you're doing a breakout is that it doesn't break and it will reject, or it will be a false break, and you can lose a lot of money. Like that trade alone on a false break can make you red on the day. And I don't like being red on the day, so instead I go for a higher consistent, a more consistent play, which is the micro pullback. So it ripped through up to 416. It pulled back to 404, which is where I bought on the bid, and then I just immediately, within milliseconds of me buying, I was clicking join the ask, and it gave me an 408, which is a 4-cent profit on 500 shares. $4.24 tested, it broke 2 cents above, fell down. Oh, see right here, we're not going to trade this. This looks like it could easily flush. I think it's, right now, I'd say that there's only like a 20% chance that it actually breaks above this. I think that there's a much higher likelihood, like probably 80% that we see a flush. So we're not going to be trading any of this up here. Because it looks like some people might be buying a breakout here, and it very well might break. But to me, it seems like there's only like a 20% chance it breaks here. I'm expecting a flush. And that flush is going to be hard, because look at this run up. All these people are going to be wanting to sell. I think we'll be I'm expecting a flush. Let's see if I'm right. Am I right? If we do see a flush, what level would I buy at? Maybe $4. Not too sure. Will we see our flush? Yeah, we're gonna see a flush here, 100%. I'm giving the odds from 80% to a flush to like a 90%. It really wants to flush here. The level 2. I'm reading the bid right now, and the bid looks like it wants to flush. Here's our flush. Bam. All right. Okay, there we go. That's a $10 winner right there. Real quick, MDRR resumed.
Oh, there it is. Huge drop down to 420. Everybody's favorite number.
There we go. I just made a 10-cent scalp, $50 scalp. We're up 122 on the day. Dude, I eat flushes. That's how we feed. That's how we get our dinner. Chipotle night. Let's go. The Chipotle night. And for our last trade of the video, take a look on the right and you'll see MDRR. And this is actually a very, very fast trade. So I'm going to be explaining what it is that I'm doing, and then I'm going to slow it down by 10 times so that we can watch it in slow motion, so you know that what I'm saying is like how it actually went. So when we play the video, when I'm watching the trade. I'm looking at the level 2 and I can see it on the bid. It went from 88 to 72, which is a huge move, right? That's over 10 cents move. So I immediately joined the bid. And when we slow it down, you can see that it actually did jump from 88 to 73. And then I reacted very, very quickly to get my fill on the bid. And then immediately before my fill was even gone through, I move my mouse over to the ask and I'm selling immediately. This happened in less than a second. That was a couple millisecond trade for a quick, what looked like 6 cents. So that should be a $35 trade. It's really it was a really simple micro pullback trade based off of something that we had an idea for. We expected it to have a micro pullback, and then we were using the bid to determine where our entry would be. All right, guys, and that is going to conclude this video. I just wanted to share some trades with you guys, and thank you all for helping the channel reach 1,000 subscribers. I did not think that we were going to be reaching it so soon, but we did, and I'm very grateful. And with that, guys, I will see you all in the next video.